In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Google Tasks on Google Calendar. With our ever busy schedules and the constant juggle between personal and professional life, keeping track of all our tasks can become quite the challenge. Thankfully, technology has provided us with tools that can help keep our lives organized. Google Tasks and Google Calendar are two such tools that, when used together, can significantly enhance productivity. But how exactly do we integrate these two? Stay with me as we dive into a step-by-step guide on achieving just that. First and foremost, let's get you logged into your Google account. Begin by navigating to the Google homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the Sign In page. Next, you're prompted to enter your email. Type in the email associated with your Google account. After doing so, another screen will ask for your password. Carefully enter your password, ensuring there's no typo. Remember, both these steps are crucial for accessing not just Google Tasks or Calendar, but all Google services tied to your account. Having entered the correct credentials, click on Next. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be taken back to the Google homepage, or in some cases your account's dashboard. But we're aiming to get some productive work done here, aren't we? So let's shift our focus to Gmail. Look for the Gmail option, which is usually found on the upper right corner of the screen, or within the grid, often referred to as the waffle icon, that houses all Google applications. Clicking on Gmail will take you to your inbox, the starting line for our little task integration journey. Now, while in Gmail, our next step involves getting to Google Calendar. But first, let's find that waffle icon again. It's usually near your profile picture at the top right. Click on it and you'll see a variety of Google apps displayed. From this array, select Calendar. If you're not immediately familiar with the icons, hover over them until you find the one titled Calendar. Upon opening Google Calendar, there's a neat feature waiting to be discovered. Although Google Calendar is excellent for managing your schedule, we're here to blend it with the convenience of Google Tasks. To do this, seek out the option Switch to Tasks within Google Calendar. This specific feature might not jump out at first, so you might need to look around, usually in the right bottom corner or within the settings menu, symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking on Switch to Tasks does exactly what it says. It shifts the focus of your Google Calendar to specifically display your tasks. This is where the magic happens. Your tasks, traditionally confined to a separate app or segments of your Gmail, are now neatly integrated into your Google Calendar. This integration allows you to see your tasks alongside your scheduled events, giving you a comprehensive view of what your days look like. At this point, it's about more than just seeing your tasks on a calendar. It's about taking control of your time. You can start by adding tasks directly from your calendar. Set due dates and times, and watch as your tasks align with your scheduled events. This seamless integration not only ensures you never miss a deadline, but also helps in prioritizing your tasks in relation to your schedule. While this tutorial walks you through incorporating Google Tasks into your Google Calendar, remember, personal productivity is deeply personal. Take this knowledge and tweak it to fit your workflow. Perhaps you'd like to allocate specific times for tasks by scheduling them directly into your calendar, or maybe you prefer to keep them as all-day events. The flexibility is there. It's all about how you choose to utilize it, and there you have it. That's how you show Google Tasks on Google Calendar. The process is simple, yet the impact on your daily productivity can be profound. Keep experimenting with how you organize your tasks and calendar until you find the system that works best for you. Remember, the goal is to ease your workflow, not complicate it. With this handy integration, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Stay productive and see you in the next tutorial.